Good morning, it's Bob Wiley with the Wiley Group, Keller Williams Legacy Metropolitan for our final segment in this series about digging out a basement. I wanted you to see we're finally on finished concrete. This is the front section. You can see this is the amount of pinning that needed to be done around the entire front part of the basement. The back was a little bit less. You'll see the waffle board that runs around the perimeter, leading over into the sump pump well, so any water that would come in would be automatically directed to that. This is the front portion. I want to show you the back section. You can see a lot less pinning needed here to be able to get to our finished height, but the plumbing's in place. Everything is finished. This is ready for the next section of construction, which will be the framing, plumbing, electrical, all to be done. We may do that in another series. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at r1wiley, W-I-L-E-Y, @kw.com. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks very much. Bye.